cold.
How are you now?
I am warm, but I probably look like a brown, burnt Michelin man. What's up, Lite Brite Nation?
Hey, what's up, Lite Brite Nation?
So, King of the Hammers is like...
Tomorrow. We're going out there tomorrow.
We're supposed to be there tomorrow, but we had one last pit stop. So in the last video you guys saw, or in a recent video maybe you guys saw, I don't know how I'm gonna order them. Anyways, this is so hectic. Anyways, you guys saw the stepchild get a little bit of TLC finally. We got all of the body damage fixed, got it rewrapped, got all of the body armor from Next Venture Motorsports wrapped up, so it looks sick as hell. Like, it looks good. But there's one more thing we're doing for the stepchild. So we are back at DCD Customs before we go out to Johnson Valley with our favorite mechanic, our new favorite mechanic, Chris. I don't know where Danny is. Don't let Danny hear that. But he's helping us today install something that is still missing.
It was literally his day off.
On the stepchild. Chris came in on his day off to install these bad boys right here. Custom sliders from Next Venture Motorsports to match all the other body armor we've got now.
Guys, what you're looking at here is the baddest, beefiest, strongest, most just bad sliders for the JL
Soon
possible.
to be on the market. Soon.
Soon to be on the market.
This is the first set ever created, designed, custom built, everything for the stepchild.
Frame mounted, frame welded on. This is custom for us. These
us.
actually have aluminum slugs in each of the tubes that you can get to if you'd like. But I was like, Dan, Next Venture Motorsports, build me some sliders that I cannot
indestructible,
that I cannot hurt. Like, give me those sliders. So
Kevin proof.
Yeah. So other than just the aluminum slugs, he also has the gussets here that are on all of the mounting points, which we actually have to notch the pinch weld on the body of the Jeep. We'll show you that. Now, this isn't gonna be how you can order them. You don't have to order them this way. You don't have to have these. You don't have to have the aluminum. You don't have to cut the pinch welds.
Just keep in mind, all of that does add weight, but for us personally, and by us, I mean for Kevin personally, the added strength was a positive offset for the added weight.
90% of people are not gonna need to go this heavy. This is actually
Kevin
way
needs
heavier than I thought it was gonna be. It turns out that the aluminum slugs in here are 37 pounds
a
piece, plus the weight of all the metal from the slider. So
they're heavy.
I may have foregone that had I known they were gonna add 37 pounds a piece, because I was trying to go lightweight with the Jeep. Anyway, it's a super easy install, especially when you have a master welder, a master fabricator, a master baiter,
master
fabricator. But dude, these look, these things are insane.
They will hold up to a full send on the back door, should we ever choose to do that again.
I will tell you that the frame or the Jeep will fail before these will fail. If I had to do it again, I'd probably forego the aluminum slugs and save 37 pounds. But you know what? This is what I told him to do.
Okay, we're here.
This is what I told him to do. This is what we're doing. So
just so you guys can tell, they are raw very clearly on the outside, but if we spin it, we've gone ahead and painted the inside because we are going to put them on right this second because we literally have no time to waste. We'll paint the outside later.
Right.
We just got to get them on because we have no time before we got to get out to Johnson Valley.
Right, because I want to do this black, and I'm going to pull this little insert right here and probably paint that red or something later, but I don't know.
But we'll figure that out later. First thing is getting it on the vehicle.
Yeah, let's show you.
Log lift over your head. Come on.
Use your legs. Use your legs.
Not that bad. That's just to locate it. Now, we're doing this first so we know where to cut the pinch welds. Okay, so you see here we marked here, 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 and up front, and that is to make clearance for these gussets here, trusses, or whatever you want to.
Which Kevin specifically had Dan from Next Venture Motorsports design on ours because we didn't want any chance of body damage happening.
That, and I want it as high and tight as possible with that in there. So to be able to do that, we just have to notch this. It's just a pinch weld. It's not a big deal. Look, there's holes here anyway.
It's just your pinch seam. It's not notching. It's not a big deal.
No. Now, Dan told me he's going to have different variations. You can go lightweight. You can have the plate on the outside. No plate on the outside. Like, you'll be able to order this however you want.
With or without the plate, with or without the aluminum slugs inside the tubing, with or without the gussets. Again, technically, this is still a prototype for the most part. This is the first one ever made in existence that's going on our Jeep right now. And Dan's going to... We'll let him decide and finalize what the options are, but ours are hands down the most indestructible version that will ever exist.
Hey, if people live out here in California, can they hire you to like work on their off-road rigs? Or
No.
what? No?
No.
No? Not at all?
You guys are enough.
But we're gone after this. You won't see us for a year. But we'll come back with like 2 weeks worth of next time we come back. He's just joking. Yes, you can hire him to work on your. He builds GT cars, Ultra 4 cars, Jeep cars, Jeep trucks,
Land Rovers.
Land Rovers, Land Cruisers.
Yeah.
He will work on whatever you got, and he does a bang up job. Speaking of banging up. Okay, so we got those all notched out. So we're gonna hang this back up again, mark where it all needs to get welded. There, 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 and there. Pull them back down, grind up the frame, get all paint off of it, and then installation. Weld her up.
These are Kevin's. They're not mine. Kevin took mine out of the truck, which is the whole point of me buying them, so I could be warm.
Wait, put the jacket on.
Because it went from 80
Apparently
degrees.
she's cold.
I am. It went from 80 degrees in
To 60.
California to like
60.
It's colder than 60
No,
right
it's
now.
60.
It's colder than 60.
Honestly, it's probably in the mid 50s.
Okay.
It was 40 something this morning.
Yeah.
Cold.
How are you now?
I am warm, but I probably look like a brown, burnt Michelin man.
For those of you that are worried about the Jeep rusting, for where we just cut it, don't worry, I got you.
Kevin's got you covered.
Got you covered. There we go, guys.
With rattle can.
Don't worry. Oh, it's Steal It.
Oh, it is Steal It. Look at that.
Steal
I
It.
forgot they made it in black.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
now if you guys notice, this is very close. This was actually designed to work with our rock crawler long arm kit.
And it looks like that bracket is pretty close to the arm itself.
Yeah.
But don't worry, that arm actually travels upward a lot less than you would expect it to.
Yeah, this
at
close.
Full articulation.
It should clearance just about right. He got the CAD file from Jeremy Pierrick at Rock Crawler to make sure it would all clear. Now, keep in mind, we have a different long arm. We have the straight aluminum links. The original Rock Crawler kit actually comes with links that come straight out and then bend down, and those will not have the clearance on this specific setup. There would have to
They'll have to redesign the way this is mounted.
Right.
But again,
this was for us.
prototype for us.
This was
Bow, chicka, bow, wow. Insert 70s porno music here. No, for real though, dude.
knocked it out.
Yes,
How those are hella
Yes.
beefy, huh?
dude.
Yeah, those are
it looks so freaking rowdy. Well, you'll obviously in other videos you'll be able to see it in the daytime later. Deli is so. What's up, David?
Hey guys,
Thank you for
party without them?
thank
Yeah.
you for letting us do all of our stuff at your shop.
Of course.
I got it.
My shop is your shop every time you're in town.
Guys, DCD Customs, if you ever need anything Jeep related, off-road related done, this is the place to come. Chris is awesome. But Danny is also awesome. Just don't tell him that we said Chris is our new favorite. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Nation merch at LiteBriteStudios.com. All
if
your
you're-
Lite Brite Nation decals at PixelDecals.com.
And if you're in LA and you need a mobile, no, not a mobile mechanic,
Yeah.
maybe a mobile mechanic.
Hit me up.
We'll
Get
put
a
his
hold
phone
of them.
number.
Don't
We'll
get
put
a
his
hold
phone
of them.
number right. No, we're not gonna put your phone number on the screen.
You can find him on Craigslist. I mean, you did a really good job for your first time.
Yes.
Yeah.
You'll be able to see the sliders in the daylight, I'm sure, in a future video. Don't worry about it. But guys, we love you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Johnson Valley, here we come. Mwah! Wait, Danny.
Yes?
Kevin said that you're not his favorite mechanic anymore.
What?
It's okay. We all know who Daddy is.
It's a good fit. Well, the next one's all cut with it in there, I guess, huh?
You getting that, Adam?
Looks great upside down.
We'll just flip the video.
Flip the video.
No.
Now the other chicken's upside down.